Hello guys, this is the third tutorial in the series of HTML5. So in this tutorial we will study the canvas element in detail. So let's get started. What is the use of canvas element? Canvas element is used to draw graphics on the fly on a web page. Now here the term on the fly means we will draw any graphics via a scripting language. So with the use of canvas element we can draw a rectangle, a gradient rectangle, a multicolor rectangle, or even draw a multicolor text onto the canvas. So what is a canvas? The HTML5 canvas element is used to draw graphics via scripting. The canvas element is only a container for the graphics. As we have mentioned, you must use a script to actually draw the graphics. So here in our case, the scripting language that we use is JavaScript, which is a client-side language. Canvas has several methods for drawing paths, boxes, circles, characters, and adding images. But for the sake of this tutorial, we'll only draw a 2D rectangle with the use of canvas element and some JavaScript stuff. So this is the HTML coding for drawing a rectangle. First, we define a canvas with an ID myCanvas. There is no styles attached to the canvas element. However, we can provide it with styles using style sheets. So inside the canvas element, we are putting the alert message in case the user browser does not support HTML5 canvas tag. So in JavaScript, first of all, we are getting the reference to our canvas element using document.getElementById method. Then comes the getContext object. GetContext object is built in HTML5 object with many properties. Here we must specify the 2D parameter which stands for 2 dimension. The next is to define fill style. It basically selects a color in which the rectangle must be filled. In our case, we are selecting the red color. As we know, in RGB, in hexadecimal color coding, first 2 digits stands for red and then other 2 are for green and remaining 2 are for blue. So we are specifying the red color as the fill style. Then we are filling the rectangle. Now it accepts 4 parameters. First 2 are the x and y coordinates. The next one is width and the last one is the height of the rectangle. Then we are entering the script tag and also the body and HTML. Now if we preview this script or this HTML page in our web browser, we will see a red color rectangle. Now if in case our browser does not support HTML5 text, we will see the message that your browser does not support the HTML5 canvas tag. So that's it for this tutorial. Thank you.